name is Kemmie and I teach Inversion Flow class here at Serenity every Tuesday and Wednesday at 7:30 a.m. It is a vinyasa class that is intelligently sequenced to improve your inversions. It's a space where you can strengthen and build your bodily awareness so that you can feel light and float in your practice. We're going to explore floating onto your vinyasa as well as improve your handstands and any arm balancing transitions, headstands, Pinchamayurasana, and some funky transitions. So if this is something that you are looking for and ready to take your practice into new heights, go ahead and come practice with me every Tuesday and Wednesday at Serenity. See you there.